Hola, estudiantes. This is Brother Barnes. Let's watch this Northwest Community College Three Trees Community Service project together. Hopefully I won't talk except between clicks. You all did a wonderful, magnificent job on the Northwest DeSoto campus. Another thing that I'm noticing besides the good job that you did is the beauty of Mississippi. Look at the clouds in this picture. Good job, everybody, and what a gorgeous state we live in. Keep up the good work. This is the original crowd that planted the little trees in 2019. Here we are a couple of years later, trimming and grooming the trees for future growth. This is 2021. The tree on the right is a willow oak. The one in the middle, there are two in the middle, willow oaks, and then on the left is a pine tree. Come back in about 25 years and tell me what you think. This could be interesting.